Hi, I'm Nicole Henderson. I'm the Great Lakes Plastic Cleanup Community Engagement Coordinator for the Whitby Marinas. The Whitby Sea Bin has captured 27 grams or 134 pieces of debris per day. The most common questions that I get asked about the sea bin are how often it's emptied. So we empty the sea bin on a regular basis, whether that is the marina staff emptying it themselves or the GLPC staff coming out to empty it. Another question that we get asked commonly is what happens to the litter or the plastic debris that is removed from the sea bin. These items, if they're in good condition, can then be put back into the recycling system. Otherwise, we do keep them for educational events and opportunities, as well as upcycling projects. Some of the peculiar items that we have found in the sea bin include stacking ring, children's toy, as well as a boat keychain with a dog on it that's driving the boat. We categorize the debris that's collected in the sea bin by plastic pellet, plastic fragment, film, and foam. So the natural material gets placed into the garbage can just in case there are any leftover pieces of plastic or other film items. To me, cleaning up the Great Lakes and our other freshwater sources means protecting critical ecosystems and preserving our fresh water.